There are 4 steps to building and delivering a bizMail campaign. First, you build or select a brilliant email that everybody will open and read. Second, you build or select a mailing list of prospects that you want to receive your brilliant email. Third, you join these 2 elements together into a campaign and give it a name. Fourth, you deliver it. You've built your email message and you've built your first mailing list. Now it's time to build your campaign. Go to the Mail Management menu and select Build Email Campaign, which opens the Build Email Campaign Select/New screen. This is your first campaign, so you have to create a new one. First, you need to enter the title of your campaign. Let's call this My First Campaign. And then select New Email Campaign. The Build Email Campaign screen will open. And you see your campaign title in the title field. Your name is already in the sender name. And if you want to use a different name, you can enter it here. Your email address is also filled in. You can change this email address by writing in a different one. But be careful. This email address is where all the replies and inquiries will be sent. So be sure you can access this email account or you won't ever see any of your campaign responses. We suggest you leave it as your default address. Now we need to join the mailing list and with the message. Go to the mailing list selection and select your Quick Start mailing list. Go to the message list and select your new platform promo message. Review these fields, make sure you have the correct data, then save. You have now created your first bizMail campaign. So far, you've put 2 prospects into your prospects database. You've written your first email message and built your first mailing list. You've married these 2 components together into a campaign, and now it's time to deliver it. Navigate to the Schedule menu, Run Email Campaign, which opens the Scheduler screen. You're going to select your task, which in this case is to run your email campaign called My First Campaign. Now you have 2 choices. You could schedule this campaign to run at a certain date and time and add that to the schedule and it would run accordingly. Or you can run it right now. Let's do it. Let's run it right now. Click OK. Congratulations, you're running your first bizMail campaign. Check your inbox and your second contact's inbox, as your emails could be delivered in a few seconds or it could take several minutes. If your email hasn't landed in your inbox within a few minutes, try checking your spam folder. If you find it there, be sure to whitelist your email address. So let's review what you've learned. You now know how to navigate around your bizMail account, menus, and screens. You know how to build a message, to build a mailing list, and a campaign. And you know how to deliver your campaigns. All that's left is to import all your contacts into your bizMail account, and that is the subject of our next tutorial. See you there.